Hello, glad to see you back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a sign up or a registration form on Wix. Now, the first thing that you have to do is open up your Wix website editor and then go to the left-handed menu right here and look for this document icon that says pages and menu. Once you click on that, you're going to click again on sign up and login. Now, creating a sign up and a login form is very similar. Once you do one, the other is going to be very simple. We're going to click on member sign up form. Now you can choose the default form and change a bunch of options. For example, if you can enable Google login or Facebook login, show policies in terms of use, etc. I'm going to click on custom form. Now in this custom form, as you can see, here it is. You get this a dialog box. Now we're going to customize our sign up form. Now the first thing that I like to do is get rid of this background that hides my website. So what you click on the background and then click on change background. Now here in settings, you can change the opacity of the color. For example, I can put a blue here. If you want to hide all of your website, or I like to have this kind of overlay color. You can set an image behind your sign up form, a video, as you like. Even in the settings, you can change the color like we said. And then here you can change the sign up form. You can edit the text, add animations, or add a link. You can change here the text field, so you can click here on edit field. In the edit field, you can type either a password, a number, email, so that your website visitors can only type, for example, numbers or a password or phone number, etc. You can here click on the title. For example, I can write first name here and then remove the placeholder. So first name here, I'm going to remove it. We also have this initial text, so we have none, and here we have a placeholder. So this is a text that's a placeholder until your website visitor puts in the name. You can change the field type. You can make it required here, or you can make it only. You can actually also specify the maximum characters of the names and the error message formats. Now, as I've showed you how to change the text fields, we can also click on form settings. Now here in this custom form settings, you can add more options. For example, here you can add more conditions. You can add contact, automation. So for example, once they put their email in, there's an automatic thank you message, or an email marketing, etc. You can also, of course, click on this light box until you get add new field. So this is in case you want to add more options. For example, the password, the login email, the code of conduct. You have the member field and other basic fields. For example, a short answer, number, selection. So we have a checkbox, the date, and set the URL. Of course, also you can click on this brush icon that says design and customize your sign up form however you like, with the colors and everything. So that's it for setting up your sign up form. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.